Good morning, lovies. Today is Friday and we're gonna be doing some work outside. Today we'll be cleaning this patio and pathways using this pressure washer. And I hope you will join me. By the way, this pressure washer will help us do this job quickly and easily. And so I hope you enjoy this video. And by the way, Lottie here is gonna be joining me while I'm gonna be cleaning this entire pathway and the patio. So let's start cleaning. And I thought the pressure washer was broken, but I'm a muppet. I didn't turn it on, so that's why. So this is it. This is really it. So we're gonna be start cleaning maybe right now. So first I'm gonna clean the sides along the walls, and then after this one I'm gonna go get the brush because it's easier to use on the floor itself, on the pavement. So it cleans way better. This one is just a small sprayer, so it does clean, but not as much as when you use the brush. So this is how I use the brush. Now it's just gliding through the pavement, and it's, as you can see, it's easier to use. You just push it down, and it cleans a bigger area as well. I don't know if you can see, maybe not, you can't see clearly, but here I think you can see a bit how it cleans. So, and Lottie here mucking about with the puddle. So after brushing or using the brush, I'm gonna be going through the sides again, or cleaning it after, because we have a lot of water that's stuck in as well, so we have to clean it up, or else it would just be still be dirty although you clean it, but the residue of the dirt would still be in there. So that's how I do it. And I do the sides because, you know, I could not use a brush on the sides. And now I'm gonna do the front porch. Yeah, what you doing, Lot? So break time. We are at the back garden having some chips made by Mark, and I made myself some coffee jelly as well to go with the chips. It's really lovely. It's my favorite drink since Philippines. So this is my favorite drink, but because it's not available in the UK, I tried to make my own coffee jelly. Maybe next time I will show you how to make it jelly. Or how I make it homemade. Now back in the front garden, after we had our snack, so I am now just going to clean this up, and then I'm gonna start at this side door. So the time is past 4 already, so we are now gonna be doing this. Hopefully I will be able to clean it all, but if not, at least I will cover quite a lot of area. So just this brushing through, because I already, or cleaning this through, because I already brushed this. So see how clean it goes. I think it would show you here in this area how does it work, the big brush. So just like that, just glide it through. Mind you, it's not heavy, but it's awkward. Sometimes you have to wriggle it to clean the surface, because it gets stuck sometimes. Anyway, I have to sort out this wire just to make sure that it's not in the way, but it's actually very hard to keep it out of the way. Alright, so that's it. Let mommy do it now. Lottie's pretending to clean this area here. She's actually trying to help me. But suddenly the water hose broke, so I have to fix that. And I'm now starting in the patio. I was really hoping that I could finish this today, but it's quite a big area, so I was not able to. But I think I covered most of it. So up until by the table area, that's where I cleaned mostly. But tomorrow I'm gonna do the rest, and I'm gonna show you after how it looks like. See Lottie again trying to help me here while I was moving the plants. So look how dirty on the other side is, where Lottie was trying to clean. So there you go, and I think this commences our video, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye, till next time.